Good afternoon, everybody, and I'm all by myself. Alright, so life update. I haven't really been vlogging for so long, and my computer is making this noise. It's such a crazy stuff. And yeah, so we bought a new modem router slash something because we don't want to doing the laundry. We don't want to pay Xfinity for another 10 bucks monthly. So we bought this thing. It's called Arizona. No, Aris Surfboard. Yeah. So it's like it's like a modem slash router for Comcast. Try to look my stuff. Alright. Did I hit the record button? Such a funny thing. Anyway, so right now I'm all by myself because Ode is working so hard, and she have this shift like around, she'll be finished like 11 p.m. so mostly it's like night shift, which kind of SUCK, but you know what, life must go on. Alexa, what can you say today?
I'm not sure what went wrong.
What went wrong? Alexa, play All By Myself.
All by Myself by Green Day.
No, not that.
I was alone. I was all by myself. No one was looking.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. Alright, so right now I'm doing the laundry, so you could hear the motor is running, and as well I am going to do something in my computer, which is, wait, what happened to my computer? I am really sorry for not vlogging much in this past few months because we have a lot of stuff going on. I mean, like, Ode is working night shift, and we don't have the same day off. And this past March we didn't really go somewhere like a travel vlog, and but next month, April, we have a lot of plans. We have a lot of things to show you guys, and there's a lot of stuff going on in April. But anyway, I just want to share that today is exactly the day, not exactly the day, but around this time, this is the day that we left Maui, and it would be considered like 1 year, or it's like a year anniversary for us here. And I'm so proud that we survived the weather. The winter weather here is not that great. As usual, it's cold, and the rainy season it's okay. It's like bearable. It's not like end of the world, but it does always rain here. But thank you for watching these vlogs, and I do really hope that you still continue watch my vlogs. I will do a giveaway if I reach 1 year in vlogging. Okay, so yeah, today is the day that we leave Maui, so let's bring some memories.
What would you like to say?
Nothing.
What?
We're leaving.
I'll miss you.
Is that all?
And you guys should visit. You guys should visit, like, holidays. You guys don't. I'm very malungkot, and
and I will miss all of you because we always vlog and have fun. Have trips together, and we always make memories. And now I'm just gonna stay home by myself, and I'm not gonna have like any vlog partner or like that. And I'm gonna miss you guys so much. Bye. Take care.
I'll meet you in Las Vegas.
I don't want to say anything because you guys are leaving.
So we would like to wish you the best in Seattle. Not really, so you can come back. I hope you don't find a house. Yeah, and I hope you guys end up homeless and you guys come back. Thanks. And I hope that you guys don't get jobs so that you guys can come back here. And how am I supposed to go log anymore? Because there's no car. And no people. And no mother folks. So we would like to wish you nothing. Nothing. Love you guys.
Call them.
Bye-bye na. Did you say bye to Tito Ian yan?
Ma, bye ma. Salamat ma. Mag-text lang ta. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Me, sige me.
Ikaw. Ayaw.
Nag-park siya.
Bye, Toy.
Thank you, Ting. Adjo.
Ajo.
Gar. Ikaw na bala. Watch out. Yeah.
Bye, Kuya. I'll miss you, yeah. Take care.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a family. Have a house. Have a job.
Aloha, ladies and gentlemen, again, welcome to our United Flight 1281 service to Los Angeles. For those passengers awaiting a first class upgrade, our first class cabin has checked in full. We kindly ask that you board.
People move around chasing the stars and search for who we are. People move around chasing the stars and search for who we are. People move around chasing the stars and search for who we are. People move around chasing the stars, search for who we are.
I think that's it for today. It's a search for who we are, why we move here, and it is a big challenge for us. Thank you for watching, guys, and like what I always say, aloha and mabuhay.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.